Welcome to Section 3 of Intro to Psychology. This is where we get personal. We're going to tackle the biggest questions about your own potential, what makes you smart, and how reliable is the story your brain tells you about your life. We start with intelligence, a topic so controversial that psychologists have been fiercely debating it for decades. We'll look at the highly sensitive debate over whether intelligence is due mainly to genetics or environment, examining fascinating twin studies that try to separate nature from nurture. Historically, studies on intelligence were even used to justify discrimination, making modern research in this area incredibly critical. We'll define what intelligence truly is, not just doing well in school, but the ability to understand complex ideas, adapt effectively, and overcome obstacles. You'll learn about Spearman's concept of a general global intelligence, which means that if you're good at one subject, you tend to be pretty high-performing across the board. But here's the exciting part. Being smart isn't just one thing. We dive into Howard Gardner's groundbreaking theory of multiple intelligences. Before Gardner, IQ tests often only measured logic and math. Now, we recognize that intelligence is diverse. You might be word smart like Shakespeare, body smart like Michael Jordan, or possess the nature smarts of Jane Goodall. You'll identify your own combination of strengths. Next, we unlock your creativity by exploring the power of divergent thinking. We contrast simple analytical intelligence, finding the single right answer to a math problem, with the incredible skill of generating multiple, valuable solutions to open-ended problems, like figuring out how to sit on a broken chair. We'll discover that expertise and a willingness to take risks are key ingredients for nurturing your creative side. Finally, we explore the machinery of memory. How do you remember anything at all? We trace information from encoding and short-term storage through to long-term retrieval. You'll learn practical tricks like chunking, grouping long sequences of data into smaller, manageable pieces to hack your working memory. But beware, your memory is not a perfect video recording. We examine memory distortion, where schemas, your mental expectations, can trick you into thinking things happened that didn't. You'll see how the misinformation effect and choice-supportive bias can subtly alter your recollections, proving that we often manufacture memories to feel better about our past decisions. Get ready to transform how you learn, remember, and define success. Let's start Section 3.